Next vehicle is a Highlander, Toyota, whatever. Look at the overspray on this thing. Every inch. That is some overspray. Look at the glass. Here's the top. Look at the paint on this thing. That is some serious overspray. It's all over the railings. I mean, this is a job right here. Crap. The trim is covered. Every piece of this thing is covered. Look at that back window. There you go, there's a good shot. If you have any doubts about Automagic's fine grade clay, this vehicle and other ones like it, I'm not going to use a machine on this vehicle. I'm going to clay through the wax, and that's it. I will not use one machine on this vehicle. Hello, this is Jeff, paint Overspray Removal of Texas. This vehicle is slammed, just like the rest of them. I'm using the clay bar from Automagic, the fine clay bar. Got wax on here. Listen to this when you just clay it. Honestly, I could shave this and save myself a lot of trouble. I just want to demonstrate how this clay bar works in the most severe case. There we go. And then I'm going to pull it outside real quick. Prove to you that it didn't scuff. That took some work, maybe. Like I said, I could have shaved it and already been done with it. But I just want to show you that even with a severe amount of overspray, as long as it's not a coating, as long as it's not a protective coating, I can clay it. Alright, we got it outside under direct sunlight. Now watch this. Now if it was scuffed, you'd see it. This is direct sunlight. Now you'd see it'd be all scuffed up. But look at that. Let's go. See this fender I just... From this angle, like I say, if it was scuffed, you'd be able to see it. It hasn't been polished. There's no wax on it. I clayed it all off. That's the remaining amount of overspray on the hood. Look at that. That is severe. Again, the other side. If it was scuffed, you'd damn well be able to see it. This stuff is on there. Whew. Listen to that overspray. See the discoloration of the water? That's the paint. Normally you don't see that much, but this is a lot of paint. Okay, now I'm going to back it outside to show you. With all that intense rubbing with the Automagic clay bar, I know it didn't scuff it, but I'm going to show you why. Who is going to go to the trouble to actually do some serious repairs and show you in direct sunlight? Look at that. This is silver with rainbow pearl in it. Silver is pure metallic, so if you were going to ever scuff anything and notice it in the sun, this is it. Not a piece of overspray on that hood. No damage from the cleaning process. That is as close as you can get without me touching the hood. That proves the product works and does not scuff no matter how hard you rub. This thing is slammed with overspray. Ungodly amount. Gotta keep flipping this clay bar. Wow. It's really amazing if you think about it. You're taking this much paint off. And it is work, but if you're talking about thousands of dollars painting something, this is the most beneficial way to do it. It ain't the easiest. Quarter real quick before the sun hits it. Gotta keep flipping that clay bar. When it gets flat, turn it. There we go. Now, like I said, this is not the easiest way to clean a car, but I guarantee you this, it's the safest way. Yeah, you are going to have to work, but you know what? You're not going to damage the thousands of dollars worth of. Look at this top here. That piece has been polished. It was covered with overspray, as well as the rest of the luggage rack. Every piece has been repaired on this luggage rack. There's no overspray between any of those trays. Nothing. Everything. Perfect. Luggage rack looking good. Look at that. All that overspray on the trim moldings is gone. I've got the hood in direct sunlight here. No scuffs. Nothing. It's perfect. Paint Overspray Removal of Texas on-site services. Awesome. Tail lights, headlights, it all had paint on it. Headlights have been polished, oversprays removed off the front grille, headlights, everything. Paint Overspray Removal of Texas on-site services. This one, I use a clay bar, BC2.